So I have another project. This one, as you can see, it's a solar e-scooter, and it's in really pretty bad shape. Straight away I could see looks like the motor wire has been is damaged. There's literally no thread in this back tire. Don't know if that's dirt or whatever it is. It's not looking very good. It's got rust all over. Yeah, it's in pretty bad condition, really. I think you just cable tie these to hold them together, and then the throttle display is also been ripped off, and masking tape off. Let's try to switch this on. I've had it on charge for a good 4 hours. Let me just press this button and see what happens. The scooter's got some loose connection somewhere on the inside, so I'm gonna get this plate off and see what's the crack. Some sort of disaster going on in here. I think the first thing what I'm gonna do is put some gloves on and then unclip the battery. Okay, so gloves is on, and let's find this battery. Well, that's not the battery, but the state of this. Yeah, so unclip the battery. Straight away I can see this been tampered with, this been tampered with, and pretty much everything just looks like a mess. I'm gonna test the battery to see if the battery's okay. Tested the battery, and the battery seems fine. Look at the state of this wiring. Look, sorting out some of the wires, and I'm gonna move on to here. Okay, so can you see these wires? I've put some fresh clips on, and a lot better than there was before.